back to our channel City Closers. I hope you all are doing good. So yes, today is another Monday and we are in Sarjapur. To be precise, we are in Muthanallur location to capture one of the very nice project which is named as Nambiyar Millennia. So yes, behind me you can see the elevation, or I can see the master plan of this particular project, where you have 3.8 acres of land parcel and you will be getting hardly 332 units. With the combination of 2 towers and the structure of the building would be 14 floors. So we get to know here that we have 2 BHK, 2.5, 3 BHK with 2 toilets, 3 BHK with 3 toilets. So the flat or the modern unit which we will be showing you is 3 BHK, which comes up with 3 toilets, and the square feet of this particular flat starts with 1415 to the maximum 1476 square feet. Let me tell you that the project completion will be by 2026. So yeah, let's get inside the model unit. So we are in front of our model unit. You can see the sleek finishing of wood and the main door which comes up with the digital lock. So let's get inside the house. Yeah. So as soon as we enter, we have a huge living space. You can see it starts right from this corner. Here we will be having our TV unit, and you can set up some of the L-shaped sofa over here. It continues with your living area, or you can place here the dining space as well, because the other side we have a kitchen. We will be taking you over there. You can see right here we have the balcony, which is quite spacious. So the balcony will be given with the wooden floor. As soon as we comes here, we have one bedroom over here, which is kind of a guest bedroom, comes up with the attached toilet. That side we have a window given for a ventilation purpose. And right in this corner we have a small sit-out area, which could be for the this area for the enjoying your book reading or something like that. Nicely furniture is done. So let's get inside to the other room. This side we have the master bedroom, which comes up with wooden floor. You have a sit out over there. The back space has been given, and behind that there's a curtain. We have the window, the lighting purpose. And here we comes up with the attached toilet. So as soon as you comes out, you have here a small space. Probably we can fix some mirror and the wash basin. And then we enter into the kitchen. Kitchen is very cozy, and the one slab is given over here. The other slab is given to the opposite side with one sink and cupboards placed over. So right there we have a closed utility space. Here probably we can set up our washing machine or dishwasher. One cupboard has been given, and here also we can do some of the interiors work to cover up the cupboards or something like that. Yeah, after the kitchen, let's go to another third room, which is this side. This is the third bedroom, which has again the same format. This side is the cupboard, and this is the cupboard. Right in that corner we have the sitting place, which is probably to do some office work or reading book or so. That side we have a window for the lighting purpose, and it has an attached toilet with the anti-skid tiles. Yeah. So the best part of this property is, one thing is the builder. It is by Nambiyar Builders, who has completed many projects in Bangalore, And second thing is, yes, location. As you know that Sarjapur is one of the best or one of the most lovely location by the IT people. The reason is that we have many IT hubs nearby. You name any school we have in this vicinity, you enjoy the entertainment part. We have many malls over here, and many projects are coming up over here. So there must be some reason that why this particular project is situated here. Also, in our upcoming video, you will be seeing another project which will be shooted by us, again by the Nambiar builder only. That's gonna be a integrated township, which is a huge project. Definitely, I cannot reveal the information right now in this video. So this was all about a 3 BHK in Nambiar Millennia project, which is located in Sarjapur, and the builder is Nambiar. And yes, if you like the video, please kindly like the video, and we would love to hear your comment. I would not say this time that kindly subscribe the channel also, but if you really feel that our videos are giving an important update to you, please comment and let us know what improvement has to be done or what extra we should do, so that it could be a beneficial for you rather than the other videos. And end of that, if you really feel to subscribe, then you can definitely do it. So this was all about today. Thank you so much.